any of those. It's got everything you need. A buck. Showed you before, but there you go. So we're gonna grab some paracord. Sneak back here and get the orange one. Grab some black and white. Use that for wrap on our knife. Boom. $1.25. Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm over in the Great Swamp here. Figured it'd be a nice spot to stop and put together this budget bushcraft knife. What's happening, guys? Hope you're having a great weekend. Had a good 4th. Alright, so I went to the dollar store. Get some paracord. 2 guns. One thick, one small. Little first aid kit. Pick those up. They're great. Put it somewhere. Backpack, car. You need it. Batman band-aids. Duct tape. Heavy duty. Race car pen for my kid. And our budget bushcraft build. Alright, guys. I remember when I was a kid, I used to take kitchen knives out, sharpen them, build sheaths for them. Not too bad for a dollar store. It's actually got a full tang on it. Yeah, pretty stinking sharp. Ooh. Yeah, that's real sharp. Alright, so here we go, guys. I'm going to use this orange paracord. Let's find the end of it. Get like 2 feet of that. Maybe a little more. Burn our ends up. Get your fingers wet. Do that. Do this. Put a loop right here. Only a little bit to yank through. Yeah, I should cover the blade, but let's just get this done before you guys tune out, rather. Rapper. Get it going tight. Maybe I'll use the thicker stuff, actually. We'll see how it comes out. I need a little more, but don't want to stop the video now. It's too late. Too late to turn back, guys. Hold that there, put it through the top loop, do a video. Sorry, guys, I did that kind of quick. Well, it's not perfect. We'll have to rewrap a little more on the top here, but I'm not going to make you guys sit around and wait for that. Get that. Alright, got a knife, a little lanyard. Let's see here. This thing is sharp. Oh yeah, look at those little feathery sticks. Alright, not going to shove it in the dirt. There we go. Alright. So now, take your plastic case here. Shout out to Armorous Kydex Sheaths. I'm going to get one of those real soon. He makes sheaths for kitchen knives. Duct tape. take the plastic. And my cardboard. I know it's the size of the blade. There you go. Not Kydex, but it'll cover it up. Find the end of this tape. Hope you guys are sticking with me. You know, I love the feedback. I know a lot of you guys are subscribed out there and checking out my channel, and really encourages me, and I love getting the feedback from you guys. Hear what kind of gear you have, if there's gear you want me to check out, great ideas, anything like that. You know, not a pro or anything, just having fun. Collecting knives, and realized a lot of other people get a kick out of collecting knives and are obsessed with knives and flashlights, etc., like myself. Well, I won't make you stick around too long, guys. You can wrap it up nice and tight, but there you go. Back pocket. Budget Bushcraft. Live from the Great Swamp. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thanks very much.